Well, we got a world, and it's starting to unfurl like a flag meant for burning, while the stomach starts a churning. We got Putin playing warlord, rattling the cage, and a spray tan tyrant stepping on the stage. Yeah, the Kremlin's got a puppet, strings are pulled tight, creeping like a vulture in the dead of the night. Oh, he's a baby brain, driving us insane, a baboon buffoon in the passing lane. Ego inflated like a hot air balloon, sucking on the teeth of a rocket ship tycoon. Yeah, sucking on the teeth of a rocket ship tycoon. Go! Watch the money pile up, watch the logic break down. Mega is the story of a nation's great fall from glory. Now here comes dementia dawn, wandering alone, lots of flickering on, but the power is gone. He's gone. It's a cognitive slip, a senile trip, a loose cannon on a sinking ship. But check the files, check the flight logs, running with the Epstein dogs, creeping backstage, what a scene, chasing skirts of tiny teens. Hide your daughter. He likes them young, he likes them small, a predator lurking in the mall. Emotional outburst, throwing his plate, screaming at the screen, sealing our fate. Snap, crackle, pop, the circuits are fried. There's nowhere left for the truth to hide. Go! The fall of scream. The fall of love. Replace it with the hate and the blood lost. So let's take to the streets, uncover this beat, get back to the old school, rediscover what is cool.